Today is our anniversary. 40 years together. I am so happy.
I made his favorite cake. I cooked his favorite dinner. Everything is perfect.
Good morning. What a beautiful day. I am hungry. What is for breakfast?
Do you remember what today is?
Today is Tuesday.
Today is a special day.
Anniversary?
Today? I knew that. Of course I knew that. I was just testing you.
You are testing me.
Oh, no. Oh, no. I forgot. Think. T-H-I-N-K. My old hat? No. She will not like that.
A spoon? No. Too small. A spoon?
A plant. Women love plants. This is perfect. I am a genius. You planned a surprise anniversary dinner.
For us. For 40 years. You.
Planned all of this? For me?
Is that a cactus? You.
It is a special cactus.
Wrapped in newspaper. It is the worst gift I have ever received.
I found it in the garden. This soup is amazing.
It is your favorite. You forget every year our anniversary.
Every year?
I always planned the dinner anyway.
I am not good with dates. I am not good with gifts. 40 years. I would choose 40 more. With you. Every morning I wake up and you are there. That is my gift. Every day.
You are impossible.
But you love me.
You are. I love you. Happy anniversary, honey.
Happy anniversary, my love.
It is perfect.
If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Bye-bye.